Hi guys, so today we are going to study three stocks which I feel have a high chance of giving an upside move in the next week. So I'm talking about the week from 14th, 15th February to 20th February. Now the first stock in my radar is Axis Bank. Axis Bank gave a sharp move in the last month on the upside after budget, and it has been consolidating in the upward zone. So after a upside move, it has been consolidating, and it is still not showing any signs of weakness. This big red candle was a warning sign where the trend might have turned, but despite of this red candle, there has been no follow through selling in this stock. After that red candle, there have been five consecutive candles which are showing steadiness, and there is no selling pressure, or there is no significant selling pressure seen in this counter. So I think after these 5 days of consolidation, it is now ready to move again on the upside. And as you can see, in the last 5 days, it has been trying to make higher lows. So in the first 3 days, the low of around 1724 was maintained. Then day before yesterday, it maintained a low of 731. Now yesterday, it maintained a low of 734. So every day it is giving higher low patterns. So the chances are that this higher low pattern will lead to a breakout on the upside, since it is already nearing the resistance zone. So above 760, we should see a comfortable probably 5% move on this stock. So I'm very bullish on this stock, and Axis Bank is my number one pick for the next week. Second number two pick for me is ICICI Bank. It's a very similar chart. After budget, it rallied very strongly. Here also you can see the momentum. Even after the momentum has finished, it is still showing slightly upward bias. So this consolidation is starting to give another fresh breakout, and this one candle has already initiated that the 9th February's high was broken, and it has closed above the high. So there are chances that ICICI Bank also might give a very sharp up move or significant up move in the next week. So ICICI Bank is the second biggest, my second best pick for next week. The third stock is NOSIL. Now this is a Nifty 500 company, so it's not a large cap per se, but it's still a solid stock. Now NOSIL's chart, as you can see, is very choppy. There are wicks on both side of the candle, but recently it has started to make little bases around 140 150, and now again it is trying to break through this 160 165 zone. Yesterday it tried to break through 165, but it failed. But if this stock continues to hold on to this level for a few more days, then we might expect a big breakout at this level, because it has been trying to break this resistance barrier for a long time. So I think if 165 or 166 breaks, then we might see sharp move on the upside. So NOSIL is my third stock for the week. I'm going to review these stocks at the end of next week and see how my analysis performed. If you want to take trades, keep accurate and tight stop losses according to your risk profile, so that even if your hypothesis is wrong, you will not suffer extreme losses. So always do your risk management before taking any trades. And if you want me to make videos on any other topics, please let me know, so that I can talk on those topics as well. So that's it for now. Take care. Bye.